Enima guasi o.
Say Chelsea for now.
Enima guasi.
Minim. Then I'm more expected. So we catch up with the Club World Cup in the same.
Club World Cup.
I
mean, say be a team near.
Team near.
Sana Enima guasi.
Mo level and I'm one. And I year conference.
And I Ibijuju and your quality boy. Oh
no, some
because Club World Cup and also see a team unya. Watching almighty Paris Saint-Germain or all boy man for 1-3. Yes, eh. Nane say tima obu Madrid ni tima kesi na tima chena shane dia say na team ye wie sa na ebo
a catch am say your team bia na a type of competition with me but depends on the type of players awo ene obia ni wono a the obetimi aka say Chelsea 14 in quality irrespective say omo yan kwala but uhun kwala na who's a quality and it's an kwala bi sa no Ode ma ko bo engineer na bo edetu. Ode aya bisa coaches ne say wo hia nkwala bisa na enye say bi a o ball mo for the whole season. But for a little piece of time. Yem bona yam ko giade. Team is now drew semi final no. Teams do now hold on these are established teams already. Real Madrid mo PSG mo. Make I say Chelsea no. And at the time, you said like they were the underdogs. But that particular point in time, the squad no more. They were made for cup matches, one-off match. You both give back up pay. Come find more. Yes, but over 2 legs, there was no way they were going to beat PSG. And for next game over 2 legs. But one game per year.
We just our final. No?
Yes.
Now performance at Chelsea done again. Now we can rabo now. Me recognizing me team no.
Obogu. Oram enyangu ebeko pa.
Na FA Cup weekend is same free with the anana asemo.
Since I make a say more ebeko pa.
Savanten. Na wan hye no. Ah, Kebetia si park so.
Ye mo game no Stamford Bridge o.
Ye bo Wembley me ya we. Savanten.
Obogu. Me say areho no. More ebeko pa because minimum dia Liam be catch boys na. Emma boys na ye adwuma dia ma no.
Ye police won. The ye police. Man City never Savanten. Ye police United.
Hey, nja make say. I don't know me dia o. Liam be catch boys na. Emma boys na ayo ma dwen dia free whatever has happened. Abobo na say no mu yembo under Enzo Maresca no. I don't know.
Na won't me Chelis.
Obogu. I want me Chelis say. Enya Lisa na ko share Man U Old Trafford no.
Minim Sabet Chelsea Cup match semi-final. Wembley. Players no. Any chance will be a team coach asem. We know you play for the team for the badge.
Obogu.
Hey, you play.
Man, Chelsea team we na Champions League and you didn't qualify we no.
And I say playing against Leeds United. We unti the coach be count. Player best select no. You pray for the badge.
Oh yeah. Coach ne say on be choose team a. Obe represent Chelsea. Nju so who say what drop point for dem kwala na ebo amana nyanwa because who say point for nti no
yeah hwe nyame ne
so what I say anti football na ngasa na de it is difficult to understand situation at Chelsea for no wo mu no na oboku ye the division 2 players am ko work up here ana
Fatawi Sheku ne Jordan ambeko
the division 2 for ko work up
club in the division 2 born in the division 2
division 2 players ko work up
say kan sa dia anka Ghana league in division 7 be the Benjamin Asare be ko world cup
me say me the question am bisa
ye go penalty and go PH abo
I say me the question am bisa say ye division 2 for ko work up
ye the ombeko ba ko ye captain ba ko so darling boy kudu san kwa ye darling boy I dey kwa
ye Messi no
ye Messi no
okay
na bra no so amma world cup ni bia Fatao ne be she 10 no
di that say ye Messi
bra no be ba na
baby at the car correct there say opan ni bo na ye bisa no
se de ba dia 10 years ni dia Fatao Sheku nyan
say opan ni ba opan ni ba na bisa ne say you play bi ho no my friend dey you
what did be kwa
na
like I said, based on my experience, he can help the team. Yeah. Grace Ashley so remis. No did they be frame.
Yeah. Enti ochina you be so panyin so panyin. Na yeah, you're a legend wow. You are bra panyin, you are Black Stars, you bra panyin no. And it's already go work out for come you.
Nyamene hene. Ochira na ye be hu ni be
pi. Ready I go for football. Ghana football akono se. Oboku. My ensanche etiefo biem. Na another page. Maybe I want to see no. Join in. Our live on Facebook. SOMPA FM live. Na young come on afi every na afi ni nyina for free. Enra. Me a shop passer for about 1 month ni die. The crop of fans are omoni nje kura Chelsea. Me ya sure say we a Chelsea fan. Na e bia say adwena kakra wom kotoko kakra wom na ja record na atiesi from kra because the type of energy and campaign no football mu no clubs we nyina pie film inti aye kakra enra uko pie me wo Brighton ho no mo
there be picture na da so no
yeah
man nko achiri
yeah I think
na Ghana wen
o Ghana Ghana ni
okay man no se menyo ana
yeah
na so we dey once no
na so superstar na o
am ko fa player wo fra na as on se menyo
11 ya man na 11 no
eh there be on FIFA for nye careful
no rather say 11 no
but there well o Ghana na se menyo ni
e bi amu isu menyo isaku say
there be na say na se menyo tie okay. Nti we no 48 countries in India.
Obi ade o. Na say ade we na ho asaba aba no.
We so ho asaba aba.
O na say we si asaba ni.
On the 7 only message now. We the problem be any.
We the problem ni.
We do be a superstar.
We superstar ne.
Semenyo. Say kudu se pra. Nti enim so be ko World Cup.
Okay.
Ntu him will be a superstar.
Okay. Nti dia ko for superstar ne.
Ero wan bisaka. On the word na ka hwan. You wan we say so that jinindi.
What's
Ero wan bisaka. Now the hime. Hwan. Obi a superstar Mbappe. So wa Mbappe, au Pulisic, au Hurricane, au Luka Modric. Jama Musiala. Na hwan.
Ala kemechi ni o.
Oh, there be Jama Musiala anye priaka o kemechi ko bo ni din. Musiala ba. Haaland ne wo no. Victor Gyökeres ne wo no. Heung-min Son. Obi a superstar.
Enti
Mohamed Salah.
Akacha Anoglu ho na yede Adagule
superstar.
Obo Real Madrid. Say.
Obo team can say superstar. Na when on fan advert. Obi a superstar.
Okay.
That's what you say. Obi a superstar.
Yeah.
Fedi Valverde na show.
Enti Lukaku na Belgium superstar.
Na when.
Kami di bana ho.
Oh.
Di bana ko ka abni. Di bana ko.
Lukaku na show.
Oh, that's di bana ko ka abni.
Brahim Diaz so na show.
Say Brahim ko. Okay.
Van Dijk so na show.
Aye. So I think I think they no.
Obi a superstar. Anye Saudi Arabia capital na on the show ko.
Okay.
On the Gina Semenyo echi.
Okay. Ma hu Kusanov so ha. Uzbekistan for superstar.
Man City superstar.
Okay. Yeah.
Vini Junior so na wo.
And Neymar wo ba. Neymar we ba.
Na papa na na so de be ko.
Oh, Neymar ko work up. Neymar ko work up. O pesa o ye na Neymar ye fit. O man adwen ko bo no so na o boy ye fit. We want for the man ko work up na CBC of Brazil.
That's it. Yeah, quite a common as well.
Obaku, as I was saying, say Chelsea are about 7th on the Premier League table. Anything?
Yantim. Yantim. He goes, I had to buy.
Yeah, 7.
Now, Kwasi, when quite teams or Mother Chelsea are saying, no, more matches. I'm Chelsea beat me
because some games not better now. Now I'm in Premier League no. If you are looking at those teams, now Brentford Bournemouth bebo, Everton bebo, Sunderland bebo, Fulham bebo,
Crystal Palace
they bow
showing San
bet. Now make a team say you meet me up there.
Sunderland, Everton,
I mean good difference because Chelsea were difference of 8 goals. And he said me Putina make us say here Brentford, Bournemouth, Everton, then Sunderland, Omo make us automatically if any of them win or may sign home. But for Fulham, they say take goal difference no. Because Fulham for man has 3 goals.
Yeah.
All man has 3 goals. I wouldn't mean measure. Meaning the number of goals. But make us win it this weekend. I game now before. But day for 34 now. Won't mean sign. But for Brentford, Bournemouth, Everton, Sunderland there. What about
the Chelsea better 11?
And it's Chelsea dia grow. Osa and young years with me win it.
Oh, bruh.
Oh, so young years with me win it. That is quite impossible.
First chest ne.
Impossible.
What the first chest no? Obi eshe.
Because no. I
Obi eshe o bra.
We won't make cancer. How cancer I said here. I know they said Chelsea and I said from now on. So let's put it this way. Now, if you look at the first chest now, Bana. Bournemouth about against Leeds.
One share.
Okay, Bournemouth for form na there. Meaning say likely to make me ashe.
Okay, young connect.
Because Leeds every weekend in there. I can't say
FA Cup.
FA Cup. It be another to players need. But Bournemouth. Until ever Bournemouth on camp. Then after there is
Brentford, yeah.
Brentford. Ever ball
Man U
against United. Obelusi. Obelusi.
Okay, or the Obelusi. Problem next one.
Yes. Man U. Then there is Everton. How about against West Ham? West Ham 4-4.
Everton 4-4.
Yes, but West Ham will be okay. We pay Europe, we pay soccer league. So what I say. And it's again, like I say, we are balanced. Anyone will be able to me. But if Everton can win away, say this and away from the year, not can win away, meaning say no, as some kakra. Then Sunderland for airborne against Forest, and it's a very difficult game.
All right.
Difficult.
Likely they are Chelsea be free. 7 about 8 and 9.
9.
Okay.
Pay about match day where we are. And likely say Chelsea wait me at every 7th or about be 8 and 9. Depending on the wins for the games now I Premier League. But see idea Chelsea at about 7th. After Enra, one more forward no more winning. I can't say Brighton forward no more winning, and about 6. And they say no, and Kumani did it from now on. Baby, I said, Chelsea to make us cease. Now on bomb by say Aston Villa for 1
to young boy.
And tell me, I say, I record that means Sanko didn't like crying, mum cry.
Never best, I cut 3 matches.
It will be our whole crowd with this. Or for another Baku, you see, from the February 11th, 2026. Now, Premier League table in that. No more for the Hans Labasso. Where are you? Yes. February 11th, just about 2 months ago. 2 months ago, remember that? 1 month, 3 weeks. And 2 months ago. 2 months, okay. 2 months ago. Now, our 31 points, I ordered 14th on the Premier League table. At that same time, now Chelsea forwarded the fee for almost 44 points. But see, after 2 months, almost 50 points, meaning almost 19 points. And I come out there. Almost jump from 14th to 6th. But over Chelsea, almost only 4 points.
In 2 months.
No,
I'm going training.
Chelsea for the only 4 points. And I come on league, almost up to the 5th. I drew 7.
4 points in 2 months.
4 points in 2 months. Means the 2 weeks be 1 point. About 2 weeks be 1 point. 2 weeks be 1 point. And the Chelsea situation on woman and then there's a little bit of make us a little bit crap. There's a huge issue hinder the progression of a partner family and losing your team. No, and it was 3-0. Me rest score line na me share the way I chose for approach game na nra. Because on normal terms there I understand the confidence in here. But on normal terms no, you look at the importance of the occasion, then prepare your mind to tune to that sort of level now come on. And it's a ABI na ABI is CA. Oboku here's a book where I deal with. But the book where okay, Ebia, never cry your mammy. Now, the importance of another Derby game with Derby. I can't afford to lose a game, no. But the body posture, the demeanor of these boys, and man will be a confidence and say, Chelsea will go into that game and win it. And they are passing ball under 2 minutes, 3 minutes prepare. Not just a conceded goal. 3 minutes. Corner. Your head yet to you, pa. First goal number. So confidence be even cry more. The time now go on the back, it sucks away the confidence. Then after no, Helsingwood, and then the Warbeck, every finishing game, the crowd the moment. After Brighton win already, and only say, in the last 4 meetings at Chelsea, I go against Brighton, Oboku, Chelsea for a losing game, Nina, all 4. Now, question you say, I want to say, why the top one player? Why the 4 better party? Because we all know, say, in recent times, team back what Chelsea are ready in a pie at Brighton.
A far for coaching.
Omo ready of Mangasa. Take us a name, young Tinsy camp be near top players in one free one. Omo top goalkeeper, Chelsea at top. Midfielder, Chelsea at top. Striker, Chelsea at top. Left back, Chelsea at top. Chelsea at top. And soccer players in Abuja. I am saying about 7 players. Chelsea are for the free Brighton. Then you go to the technical team. Graham Potter, Billy Reid, Bjorn Hambeck, Bruno Sauter. All these are people that just to follow the old free Brighton and buy you. Ben Roberts, I'm going to go to buy. But after picking their best, it is still 2 years in film 4 meetings. Still at Chelsea at draw. Draw. A common draw. I'm going to be from 4 meetings, 4 losses. Then you come to a recent form.
Last 8
games
matches.
A day. 8
1 win.
Games.
And they're going against Portville.
Yes.
League 1 side.
8 games. When am I? If I put it into the Premier League, the last 12 Premier League games at Chelsea for one not even 1 clean sheet. The last time it happened, 1997. How many years in it? Yes.
Almost getting to 30 years.
Then there is this. So the last 5 games, no, Chelsea winning game, and I want to thank you. I want me to go. The last time it happened here, no, and 1912. Oh, just imagine 1912. So Chelsea about 5 games on winning game, on Troy, and I want to thank go and thank
1912.
1912.
That Ghana independence.
114 years in it. Chelsea club, no, and bought 5 games and 12 so. And Lucy Nina, a brown months and Twatana. So, issues now on them. And yet, very deep. Me, I can't say, Papa, we know, or Mammy, Rubina more invites me. Cassania more. Cassana Dawson. Esa Casabiana. Ne Cassano. H. Rese Onimo, you man saying. Near all young or parking or so. If he is talking tactics, you understand the tactics, no? I can't go as a point when you. If he is talking philosophy, if he is talking about how players will react on the pitch, now no so simple arrest results, no. Then no one to arrest results, no. So if you look at the things that this man says, how he reacts, and how he carries himself up. A man yes, oh yes, as a player, you may. Now resource na air can't for from. Me and not get now my prayer and I say book. There are some few things here who say they were above whatever he can do. Who were the first 2 goals no? They were all something that looks like won't blame me coaching be brave. First goal in it was from a corner kick. The time that go the buy, a man you will feel a little bit sad about the time now go the buy and 3 minutes there. So what plan be to go into a game and prepare well. Now you pass the game now under 4 minutes. Now concede go obogu ya. But the circumstance that qualify so by you. Yeah, it was maybe a miscue. Maybe now get a mistake that we all commit mistakes. I believe sir, maybe the defender maybe Adriana on the dream said he wanted some pinball on the ball through. Nemo, me take he born to some level say be at the way or perceive is a ball the corner, born and corner, sir. For make us say a 40 clearance and a ball the D Kadioglu and that first time touch. Maybe a pinball a ball on the fire through so many deflections. 1 hour question. Wrong time. But this goal no. Make us say you want me to run fan to coach na so. What can I say go away. It wasn't something that looks like tactical.
SOMPA Sports.
Mistake aba. Go that home. Second goal. Ma was never a break. Oh, Anna. The way I chose for rest defense, you know, wrong. Because normally people bought 3 rest defense, 2 in front of 1 center back. So that yeah, they will be able to cover those areas. But before we were seeing this image here on screen here, you had also a mistake. Just for rest defense, then you know there was a foul, and that's how they were back. Maybe lack of concentration. Because play to the referee's pressure.
SOMPA Sports.
Because I didn't BR. Maybe a better for players, no, they didn't do that. But on a normal day, so what's the idea we are? Referee could have taken a foul for this. And the situation where most no 1, a foul on a player, 2, a miscue clearance, and also or clear anchor. What could I say? When I put the from ref bet make safa we obi ntime nje but mental what do if you want no you can say obi is all for tackle and also miscue Kaisedo then you penalty from you kwani and the same here we bogu mental blame coach bebre for this 2 goals 2 mistakes you can't naturally blame the coach for. But the simple things are I'll blame the coach for. Game ideas. Game ideas. How you sustain yourself in some of these games. Your Becker say, okay, time goes, never we are. The game is over the wind. But Obokwe, sometimes we have seen coaches they make proactive things. So what do we do after saying okay, you're causing an early goal? It's about the reactions of the players. It's about how the coach wasn't able to motivate these boys to do it. Time I couple game Nangasam. The first time we here, I said Papa no Eddie into that game. And I say, I'm speaking about these teams, Chelsea, Arsenal, and I'm talking about the teams having fear. Who like that?
Yeah.
Chelsea bought 5 at the back. The same system now we talk about PSG for away game, look at. And I'm not a home game now, but when I'm using 5 at the back now. I think say Lucy.
I was Stanford
Bridge, yes.
Yeah.
You see, some type of system never talk about Brighton for game no. And Brighton for also use PSG for system never no. Because from the Haslam understood say he was trying to go for man-to-man marking because of what Trebaka he wants to maybe try say Karubi Toma, Jojo Ruta, Jakub Minte, he will be able to find them and mark those players somewhere or mark them. And the formation never you know Obo Fofana, Obo Chaloba, and Obo Hatu at 3 center backs. And Obo Mauro Gustone, Marco Crera as wing backs. Anymore, if you're looking at this formation I read with Chris, what does it even mean? For just to go into a game How does it mean for just to go into a game with only one number 9? Mega put is an attacking player. I'm Mega say be a out and out striker. If you're playing with a back 5, what about back 5? But the one how bono. Apart from wing backs now bono, there is also 3 players. Mega say almost like defensive minded players. Romeo Lavia, Moses Caicedo, Enzo Fernandez. And in a way, no, about 3-5-2. You're not playing against Manchester City. You're not playing against Arsenal. You're not playing against Bayern Munich. Or more against Barcelona. Okay, Enzo Maresca.
Yeah.
How many passes for game no? Or the Estevao. And then João Pedro. Look at how the system of the course I gave him, no. But he was able to beat Barcelona 3-0. But Oko gave me to say, now or formation now they buy or select or player selections. Actually, it's like also be out Brighton for game one. And again, why are you even playing it in the first place? Why? This is how the game went. Chelsea for trying to play man to man. And it was Chelsea trying to defend, trying to absorb pressure Brighton for the back, rather than Chelsea imposing themselves. There's a reason why they do it here. I don't like Madrid for when they are trying to under Xabi Alonso. Instead of me permanent as Xabi Alonso, they say, we are Real Madrid, we are team Kessie. Why do you go in the game and think about team B formation? You should think about yourself. How can I hurt them? What I say? Come and I was meant to hurt you, not how they are going to hurt you. So I'm trying to defend. We are team Kessie. Don't think like that. And this, then what? Quality na for be auto tiska I got quality players no where from the quality. If again o team yan say me name Brighton na go game na Brighton for no obogu omo ye bia omo ho ahene omo Karimi Toma omo Yakub Minte omo Jojo Ruta omo player wey no I am trying to find a system make me limit omo. What about yourself? So what do you do? And I was looking and say Chelsea club no. Chelsea are trying to quench the fire of Brighton, but not thinking about how they can hurt Brighton. Who hear points? But Oro try to defend against Brighton. Abra who hear points. Aya cup match nebo yebo league match.
SOMPA Sports.
A league match yebo. So why do you try to find a way to defend? The idea is to defend alone. About 3 minutes, I shout. Then I be. But formation at the buy no, a defensive formation. So what do you do?
I know I'm much born on Bosim, sir.
Yes, because
now Brighton for Nigeria.
At the end of the year, the idea is say, make defend against Brighton. Let's stop your more wide wingers, no, because in the career with Tomane, Jakub Mintamuhene, we will stop them. Then you stop your movie, then you have a chance and you take it. But you're born at 3 minutes, you show. So that means that the whole idea of coming to the game, not meaning answer, the approach now changes. But oppressed now game, no, they can't change that approach for you. Instead of behind a ball the count, sir, no opposing, hoping say, Chairman, Liam Dilla, with my baby.
Or also the modern our SOMPA.
So that's it. And there's an actual problem with this Chelsea. They won't set up, no. I also go around Banana Seal Grade, Liam Rosinho. Because the system not the buy, the player selection, it's not a depicted team, or bet not be a man to that extent. I'll come over and should be. Or by he has always been playing the 4-2-3-1. But maybe like I say, injuries so end up, baby. He didn't have Kopam and other players not to be in their team. João Pedro Munio. I still believe that there are things that are lacking. And the things that he is lacking, no. And also check the advantages or the black Chelsea club, no. Now, so I Chelsea fan out to give no more. And there's over Resca. Maybe an year Africa crap. I think Enzo so Kobe 6 games, not so many. He won 1 out of 6, I remember. And the leading man got Pam no. But some time no. Now what one other Enzo games are. Obakuna esena. Oh, it's okay. As that time with the form money any. You don't have form. The whole thing you have form at the so you bounce back. But that feeling, no, a bit new under how we mechanism arrest. There's no that feeling. So I don't know how Chelsea will bounce back from this. Quite very serious. I don't know how they're going to do this. Because we say a ball game maybe. Yeah, ball game ni we no. That we screen so. Season 9 year bono. You have 34 games. Out of 34 games, no, not even a single game. And a Chelsea outrunning an opponent. There's outrunning an opponent. And Brighton for running 102 kilometers. I will give them. Chelsea for running 94 kilometers. That means that Enra team not winning 3-0 no. They were running. They were serious in the game than Chelsea. And for the whole season of Premier League, no, you have 34 games. 34 games, no, only Chelsea club nepe and I am running any team in the Premier League.
That means a quadrupa.
A quadrupa, if not a quadrupa. Yen to Rica, the Chelsea for place in Pembrika too. What was here? Arsenal. There's only one team bet. And I am trying Arsenal in the Premier League. Only one team.
Leeds United.
Leeds United. Only 5 teams.
Hey, and at least one to Bricadia San.
Only one team. I don't know more Bobo now. Omo Arsenal trying Arsenal. Leeds 5. City. Quite say City 4 club players. Do every no.
Doku.
Do.
Savin.
6. Only 6 teams. But Chelsea. Chelsea Liverpool. But Liverpool for 29 out of 33. But Chelsea 34 out of 34. They have not even outrun Team Mekwa and Yadu Premier League. Wolverhampton Wanderers. I guess even Wolves. Wolves outrun Chelsea.
But yes, the Chelsea win it.
As you may say, sometimes these days, it looks like say okay, there is some sort of near do team anymore. I said that I say yeah, probably move down across some more.
Medianka, me pedianka, in Jano Quine, Nanka GT for me season.
Why for me?
GT.
Ah,
leader.
Now, coach was I saying?
Was it?
Coach was I saying?
Was I
6 years.
Graham Potter saying was I 5. One more 6 months growing.
And then I saying Sweden for the money by now. Sakanum Sukaraka.
Aye. Some point for him the woman this can ye. You better woman this can I. Pressure be call Mosono. Salam Rosanoa. Or Mujano Quine. Now JT. Edit him no every season no. On film because with JT you best see a different energy. Players no.
Because he's a former player.
Yes, you be a different energy team num chema. We can team no FA Cup. If the JT na do mo FA Cup na or kind of motivation words or the more players no. Because with JT on the touchline no. Oh a player when you kobo na nima JT no wa hu ni nyina nti obe perform. Na mom when you kobo Rose anima. Ade dada na.
Oh good na say.
No.
No, yes, enye. We all understand, say, and it's quite difficult to maybe understand, so especially as a Chelsea fan, because last year, June, July, and I'm quite a club World Cup, and just a year after, nearly a year after, by new, Chelsea club now, about 8 games on my back, okay, also in the last 5 games, I will go growing to be in shape, and the same Chelsea for club now, and Chelsea club here last year. Now more J Conference League. This year, Chelsea club mini. And see, you can't always understand it.
I say coach.
But Empire for the Papa we are. That means almost a fairly club no.
Now mu fairly and
I go now when you into such club in Yodia.
Okay, that's it.
So that's it. The club is for the one from say blue cone say clear like say that go for them. What does it? So I don't know how they're going to react. And now it is quite clear to Buku. It's about 80% Chelsea from qualify for Champions League. Because some great games now I cannot.
Because 80 sir. You don't any chance you qualify for Europe, Korean Champions League. Because Chelsea don't deserve to play Europa. They don't deserve to play Conference. Chelsea don't deserve to play Champions League. Until any chance you qualify for Europe,
But games are new.
Likely to be losing. Sunderland, Stamford Bridge, Tottenham Hotspurs, and I saw more qualified, and I saw more come. Until Wintiming Quarupa, Sunday London Derby, Tottenham Penny, Manesho, Liverpool, and Super So Pelicitate. Until Honors were Anfield, the last 2 matches. Liverpool last 2 matches, Anfield, or shed the other supporters.
Say
Chelsea Minibu.
Sunday games not come.
Forest last match or shower come.
There's a games moving in you. Oh, when the possible.
Yes, FA Cup. You have a FA Cup.
May I trust in this game piano? Say Liam Elusi semi-final FA Cup. National unfortunate on my panel.
Yen Chema, Yen Lusu. FA Cup went to move final. And I
say
so kind of Kodokumachu man is a seed. Edoko Kodoko. Coach no training ground. Quasi,
maybe the Papa or Mommy Ruby number revive me before.
Oh, you say, no more we are gentle, no more yard.
Oh,
there's more gentle coaches, no one yard.
Oh, Nasa,
and yeah, most more pay. I'm ranting you.
Oh, there is a papa. For your phone, I'm getting for you.
Yeah, Thomas here. Ranting on my gentle, one yard.
Oh, that on Crano, on Pa. On day, not December 2 much. You extra taxes, no. And pay for no, I didn't want to
moist and more experience.
Aha, who we pay now. Why, yes, I can't coach you. But I say, I come you boom now, and